Hi, my name is Lisa Cockrell, and I am presenting a family that came in with presenting issues of grief, bereavement. They wanted grief counseling for the father, the mother, who her daughter died. 30-year-old woman passed away, and she died of cancer. Left behind a husband, three kids, a son, Tommy, 9, son, 6 or 7, and then a 3 or 4 year old daughter. And the mother. The relationship between them were not the best. The family dynamics was a little strange. The mother and the daughter had a very strange yet but very close, loving relationship. Mother didn't realize the daughter loved her, that they really got along, and the daughter valued her until her deathbed, the daughter's deathbed, when she made a comment. She said about, I know we argue a lot, but I'm glad that we have each other. And the daughter says, no, we don't argue. That's just our relationship. So the mother didn't understand the relationship in all those years until the very end. The father, he was not really present during the marriage. He worked at a university, and he had a mistress for like 5 or 6 years prior to the 30-year-old woman dying of cancer. And she knew, and she approached him, but he would always deny it, he said. And so then he did confess and admitted it and apologized on his wife's dying bed. Things were kind of difficult, but he still was able to express his sorrows during that time before she passed away. The children are not doing very well. The oldest son is taking it very hard because he blamed the mother the entire time for the father not being present and not really being around. And when he was around, he still was not there. He was there, but he was in the home, but he wasn't in the home. So he blames the mother, and he never could tell her he loved her. So she told him on her dying bed that she knows he loves her. Don't feel guilt for not saying it, because she knows he does. And he was angry. He had, angry behavior, acting out, just very, very hostile. The middle child was about 6. He was just angry too. He didn't really know how to express it. He knew the mother wouldn't be there anymore, but he just really didn't know what was going on. He wasn't old enough. He's not old enough. The baby girl really don't know what's going on, and she's the one that I'm really concerned about, because she will never remember her mother. She's 3. She'll never remember her mother, and that is the problem that I have with her being so young. I guess I'm trying to understand, would cognitive behavior therapy work or art therapy work? I know for the baby girl, art therapy would work for her. The other children, probably play therapy, but I'm not sure if CBT therapy would work for them too. I'm just really not sure. I guess the dynamics of this family is just really they're unique. And although the mother and daughter's relationship was different, they loved each other. The mother was dependent on the daughter. The daughter was dependent on the mother, so they were like codependent of each other. The father had infidelity. He also was controlling. The mother, the mother, not the wife, the mother was controlling. She was somewhat paranoid to be alone, and she had problems with age. And so, given all that, after she passed, now that her daughter's gone, she's depressed. She's realizing that life is so short. It's best to make the best of each and every day that you have. Not worry about getting older, but just age gracefully and enjoy yourself. Um, the father he's very remorseful about the relationship he had with his wife. He loves his kids, but he's allowed the grandmother to raise the kids because that's what the mother wanted. And he knows that she'll do a better job than he will, and he'll be able to, work the hours that he need without having to worry about the kids. But he'll be a better father now to his kids, now that he understands what the importance of family. And I guess what the family needs to understand is that time will heal the pain, but they still need to live. Yes, the daughter is gone, the wife is gone, the mother is gone, but they're still here and they need to live. So they have to take her memories and keep them alive in their hearts. And we need to find a way to help them to do that.